Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, we start our new exercise, exercise 14.2. Okay, so just be ready, open your mind, and let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Here, the blood group of 30 students of a class 8 are recorded as follows: A, B, O, O, A, B, O, A, likewise, and represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? Okay, so here this is the data of 30 students. We need to represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. So here we need to make the frequency distribution table. Now, students, just see here, we have less variety. Okay, that means total variety we have, that is A, B, AB and O. Total 4 blood groups are there. Blood group A, B and AB and O. Okay, so 4 ही variety है, तो हम discontinuous यानी कि discrete frequency distribution table का use करेंगे. Okay, we already seen in the theory part, whenever we have less variety, at that time we can use the discrete frequency distribution. If we have more variety, so we need to use continuous frequency distribution. Okay, here we have less variety, only 4 ही numbers है जो बार बार repeat हो रहे हैं. So अभी हम यहाँ पे discontinuous यानी कि discrete frequency distribution table का use करेंगे. Okay, so first of all, as per the blood groups given, we need to make the frequency distribution table. So here, blood group. Now, after that we need to make the tally marks. That means we need to count it, and frequency F. Okay, that means number of students. Now, how many varieties we have? Blood group A, B, AB and O. Okay, A, B, AB and O. Now check the equation and just apply the tally marks here. So we are going on horizontal wise. So first of all A, so here tally mark, then B, so here, then O, so here again O, now AB, then O, then A, then O, then B, then again AOB. So A, O, B, then A, O, O, A, then AB. Now in second line AB, then O, then AA, OO, AB, B, A, O, B, A, B, O, A, B and O. Okay, so basically हमें क्या करना होता है, जैसे जैसे ब्लड ग्रुप्स आ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे हमें टैली मार्क्स नोट करते जाना है. लेकिन जब 4 टैली मार्क्स हो जाए तो आपको 5th टैली मार्क्स कैसे शो करना है, ऐसे क्रॉस लाइन करके. वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है 5. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5th टाइम आएगा B, तो उनको हम क्या करेंगे, क्रॉस करेंगे. देन अगेन फॉर 1 2 3 4 5th टाइम क्रॉस. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर 1 2 3 4 5th is cross, 6 7 8 9 10 cross, 11 12 likewise. ओके, तो पहली बार आए तो सिंगल, दूसरी बार आए तो अगेन 3 4 and 5, अगेन 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and likewise. Okay, so these are the tally marks. Now according to this we can count the frequency. Now frequency, let's see here, this represents 5, 6 7 8 9, so total frequency is 9. Okay, 5 and plus 1 6. Here 3 5 10 12. Okay, if we do not know the telemarks, then directly even we can count the frequency. Then directly in the equation we can count how many times we have A. Okay, so just count here 1 2 3 4 5 likewise, so you will get 9 times A. Okay, then you can also find for the B 6 times B, 3 times AB and 12 times O. Okay, if you don't know the telemarks, then directly even you can write the frequency by counting the blood groups. Okay, कितनी बार A आया वो आप डायरेक्टली काउंट कर लो, तो भी आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो 9, यदि टेलीमार्क्स नहीं पता है तो. Okay, otherwise these are the data that is called ungrouped data. Okay, this data is randomly given. Okay, here A B O O A B, it is ungrouped data. Now we convert the ungrouped data into grouped data and in the type of discrete frequency distribution. Okay, now if we count the total frequency, that is 30, because already given in the equation this is the data of 30 students. So if you count the frequency, it gives the total number of observation, because ये क्या शो करेगा, A कितनी बार है, B कितनी बार है, AB कितनी बार है, O कितनी बार है, तो इनका टोटल जो होगा वो क्या शो करेगा कि टोटल कितने नंबर्स यहाँ पे दिए हैं. तो पहले वो दिया था कि 30 स्टूडेंट्स की डेटा है तो 30 डिटेल्स होगी. यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो एडिशन क्या आएगा 30. आप डायरेक्टली भी पुट कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज इनका एडिशन करके भी पुट कर सकते हो. बट जब भी हम फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बना रहे हैं तब हमें इनका कैलकुलेशन करना है. 9 + 6 15 + 3 18 + 12 30, और चेक करना कि यहाँ पे कितने नंबर्स हैं. दोनों मैच होने चाहिए. यदि मैच नहीं हो रहा है, दैट मींस हमने कहीं पे मिस्टेक की है, या तो कोई ज्यादा टेलीमार्क्स दे दिया है या तो किसी को कम दे दिया. तो ये टैली करना है लास्ट में. यहाँ पे 30 है तो क्या यहाँ पे 30 डिटेल्स ही है वो आप काउंट कर लें, तो यहाँ से पता चलेगा कि हमारा ये जो टेबल बना है वो राइट है या रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ which is the most common blood group? So here most common blood group is, now most common blood group, so blood group O have the highest frequency 12, so most common blood group is 12, and rarest blood group, and the rarest blood group is, so now AB have less frequency, so it's rarest, so rarest blood group is AB. ओके, जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा होगी वो मोस्ट कॉमन होगा, सबसे ज्यादा बार वो है, सबसे कम बार को बोला जाता है रेरेस्ट, तो सबसे कम बार है A. ओके, सो मोस्ट कॉमन ब्लड ग्रुप A because which have the highest frequency, the rarest blood group is AB which have the least frequency. Okay, and here students you need to make the table, okay, with the pencil and scale. Okay, so this type of table we need to make here. Okay, so here blood groups, telemarks and frequency. Okay, whenever we get the less variety we use this type, that means discrete or discontinuous frequency distribution. Okay, now after that question number 2, here first of all read this question. So now in question number 2, distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their place of residence to their place of work were found as follows. Okay, construct a group of frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5, 5 not included. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? Okay, distance of 40 engineers from their work to residence are given to you. We need to construct a group of frequency distribution. Okay, group frequency distribution. That means we need to make the group table with the class size. Class size is given 5. That means we need to make the continuous frequency distribution. Okay, because in continuous distribution table we want class size. Class size are only there in the continuous frequency distribution. And one more thing is given to us. First interval we need to take 0 to 5. First interval 0 to 5. We need to take class length as 5. Okay, now what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? And in first class 0 to 5, in the bracket 5 not included. 5 not included, it means we need to make exclusive type continuous frequency distribution. Okay, because inclusive होगा तो 5 उसमें include हो जाएंगे, right? क्योंकि 0 to 5 और नीचे 6 to start हो गया, 6 to 10. 0 to 5 फिर start कहाँ से होगा? 6 to 10. यदि inclusive बनाया तो फिर 5 उसी में include हो जाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे मना किया है 5 not included. तो हमें कैसा बनाना पड़ेगा? Exclusive. क्योंकि exclusive में क्या रहेगा? 0 to 5, 5 to 10. तो यदि 5 आया तो वो नीचे वाले में चला जाएगा. Okay, ये हम already theory में discuss कर चुके हैं. So now first of all we need to make the class. Okay, we need to make the class. So for that here distance are given to us. Distance, or it is given in the kilometer. So write down here class. Now first interval is 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Likewise, we need to make the 5 group. Okay, we need to make the gap of 5 here. That means class length should be 5. Now just see in the table. Maximum number is here. Maximum number is 32, right? So we need to cover it. We need to cover our maximum number. So here 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. Now maximum number 32 is covered here. Now if we make here 35 to 40, so there is no number which lies between 30 to 40. Okay, so here we need to stop our classes. Okay, class के जो हम ग्रुप बना रहे हैं वो हमें कहां तक बनाना है? जब तक हमारा मैक्सिमम नंबर जो है क्वेश्चन में वो कवर ना हो जाए. एक बार मैक्सिमम नंबर कवर हो गया तो फिर हमें आगे के क्लासेस नहीं लिखने हैं, क्योंकि यदि हम वो क्लासेस लिखेंगे तो उनके बीच में कोई भी नंबर्स यहाँ पे नहीं है तो उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 ही आने वाली है. ओके, वैसे तो हमें स्टार्ट कहां से करना होता है? मिनिमम नंबर कवर हो वहां से स्टार्ट करना होता है और मैक्सिमम नंबर कवर हो वहां तक उनको स्टॉप करना होता है जो हम क्लासेस बना रहे हो. अभी क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि 0 to 5 के क्लास बनाने और क्लास लेंथ 5 रखनी और एक्सक्लूसिव टाइप हमें बनाना है ताकि 5 है वो नीचे वाले में चला जाए, इसलिए हमने उस हिसाब से बनाया. यदि ये दिया नहीं होता कि क्लास लेंथ क्या है और फर्स्ट इंटरवल क्या है तो हम अपने हिसाब से कोई भी क्लासेस के ग्रुप बना सकते थे, यानी कि हम 0 to 10, 10 to 20 वैसे भी बना सकते हैं. पर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि 0 to 5 से स्टार्ट करो, क्लास लेंथ 5 रखो, तो उस हिसाब से हमने क्लास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया है. ओके, नाउ इट्स अ टाइम फॉर टेली मार्क. ओके, सो टेली मार्क्स. नाउ जस्ट look at the table here. We are just go through the horizontal wise. So first of all 5. ध्यान में रहे पहला ही नंबर 5 है. 5 में ध्यान रखना वो यहाँ पे इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. किस में जाएगा? नीचे वाले. So यहाँ पे आएगा टेली मार्क. Then 3 किस में आएगा? 0 to 5 में. Then 10 में ध्यान रखना नीचे वाले में जाएगा. Then 20 भी नीचे वाले में जाएगा. 25 वो भी नीचे वाले में. 11 यहाँ पे आएगा. 13 भी यहाँ पे आएगा. 7, 12, 31, or 30 to 35. Now 19. Now in second line 19. So that is covering 15 to 20. Then 10. So fifth टेली मार्क है तो उनको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. Then 12. Then 17. Then 18. Then 11, then 32, 17, 16, 2. Now third line 7, 9, 7, sorry, and 8. Now 3, 5, 12, 15, 18, 3. Now fourth line 12, 14, 2, 9, 6, 15, 7, 6, and 12. Okay, so our tally marks are done. Now frequency, that means number of engineers. Okay, for this question, number of engineers, that means how many engineers lives between 0 to 5 kilometer, how many engineers lives between 5 to 10 kilometer. So frequency alternately here it means that number of engineers. Okay, but if we write on the frequency, then even our answer is right. Now here total number of frequency 5, 10, 11. 5, 10, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now count the total number here. So 11 plus 11, 22, plus 9, 31, plus 5, 36, 37, 38, plus 2, 40. Okay, so total frequency is 40. So here our frequency distribution table is complete. Now make the table here with the pencil and scale. Okay. After that, what main features do you observe from this tabular representation? What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So students, you can see here most of the engineers. Just see here 5, 11, 11, 9. Okay. Now if you count 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9. So 5 plus 11, 16, plus 11, 27, plus 9, 36. So out of 40, 36 engineers are there which lies up to 20 kilometer. Okay, which have the distance 20 kilometer. So यहाँ पर out of 40, 36. So most of the engineers जो है वो इसी में cover हो गए. किसमें up to 20 kilometer में. So that we can write in the observation. Okay. Here most of the engineers that means 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9 is equal to 36. Now 36 means क्या होगा? इनका 90% होगा. यदि आप काउंट करोगे तो 90% है. कैसे? परसेंटेज कैसे फाइंड होंगी? टोटल कितना आया? 36 divided by full total 40 into 100. Okay, so here 0 0 cut, 4 9s are 9 into 10 90. तो ये 90% हुए. टोटल जो इंफॉर्मेशन है उनके 90% हुए. That means 90%. Most of the engineers, that means 90% resides within 20 kilometer from the workplace. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखना था कि कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन हम यहाँ पे मिलेगा. तो हम देख सकते हैं बाय फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल कि मोस्ट ऑफ द इंजीनियर्स जो है वो 20 किलोमीटर की रेंज में ही है. ओके, सो हियर मोस्ट ऑफ द इंजीनियर्स, दैट मींस 36, दैट मींस 90% resides within 20 kilometer from workplace. Okay, within 20 kilometer from the workplace. आप 90% नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. ऐसा लिख दो कि most of the engineers, that means 36, resides within 20 kilometer from workplace. Okay, so in this way we need to make this frequency distribution table. Okay. Now question number 3 First of all, read this question. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. Okay, and one data for 30 days are given to us. Now question is, construct a group of frequency distribution table with the class 84 to 86, 86 to 88, etc. Which month? Now second question, which month or season do you think this data is about? And third question, what is the range of this data? Okay, we need to construct frequency distribution table. Then which month or season do you think this data is about? And what is the range of this data? Okay, so here group frequency distribution table we need to make, and classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88, etc. we need to make. That means here we need to make continuous frequency distribution table. Okay, that means here we need to make continuous frequency distribution table. Okay, so here what things is given to us? Okay, that is relative humidity. So here write down relative humidity in percentage. That means our class. Now first of all, find out the minimum value and maximum value. Okay, so here minimum value, that is 84.9, right? And maximum value, that is 99.2. So we need to cover maximum value and minimum value. Okay, such that we need to make the classes. So here we need to start with the minimum value. Now minimum value is 84.9. Okay, so that is covered in the class 84 to 86. Okay, 84.9 वो इसमें आ जाएंगे. Now next class 86 to 88. We need to cover maximum value, that is 99.2. Okay, so 86 to 88. Now 88 to 90, 92, 92, 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98 and 99 to 100. जो मैक्सिमम नंबर है 99.2 वो इसमें कवर हो जाएंगे. तो यहां तक के क्लासेस हमें लिखने होंगे. ओके, क्लासेस कहां से स्टार्ट करने हैं? जहां पे मिनिमम वैल्यू कवर हो. कहां पे खत्म करने हैं? जहां पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कवर हो जाए. ओके, आफ्टर दैट टेलीमार्क्स. Okay, so just read this table and mark the 12 marks here. Okay, so here 98.1, 98.1, sorry, here 98 to 100. Now 98.1, that is covered in this class. So here, then we are going on horizontal wise. So 98.6. Here 99.2, here 90.3, so here 86.5, then 95.3, 92.9, 96.3, 94.2, 95.1. Okay, now second line 89.2, 92.3, 97.1, 93.5, 92.7, 95.1, 97.2, 93.3, 95.2. 4 हो गए तो फिफ्थ टेलीमार्क्स में हम क्रॉस करेंगे. नाउ 97.3. नाउ थर्ड लाइन 96.2, 92.1, 84.9, 90.2, 95.7, 98.3, 97.3, 96.1, 92.1, 89. Okay, so now frequency. Now frequency, that means number of days. Okay, here information is about 30 days. So frequency, that means number of days. So for how many days? We have the relative humidity in between 84 to 86 and 86 for 88 and likewise. So now frequency, that means number of days, and frequency is represented by F. Okay, so here 1, 1, 2, 2, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7 and 4. And if we find out the total here, okay, so 1 plus 1 2, 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 14, 26 plus 4 30. So our table is, so our frequency distribution is right, because total 30 information we have, and here even our total is 30. Okay, now make the table here with the pencil and scale. Okay, so this is our continuous frequency distribution table. In that we have the classes starting with 84 to 86, 86 to 88, likewise 98 to 100. Okay, so our first question is done. Construct a group frequency distribution table. Now second question, which month or season do you think this data is about? Okay, so relative humidity के ऊपर से हम सीजन कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? यदि रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा हुई तो कौन सा सीजन होगा? रेनी सीजन. ओके, यहाँ पे आप देखो तो रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी में जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यूज है वो कहाँ पे है? 90 to 92 में है, 92 to 94 में 6, 96 to 98 उसमें 7. ओके, सो जो ज्यादा नंबर्स है वो नीचे वाले भाग में है, मतलब कि रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा है, उसका मीनिंग ये कौन सा सीजन है? रेनी सीजन. रेनी सीजन में रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी क्या रहती है? ज्यादा देन विंटर एंड देन समर. ओके, समर में सबसे कम रहती है. यहाँ पे रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी है वो ज्यादा दिख रही है. ओके, अबाउट 90 to 100 में भी 4 है, 96 to 98 में 7 है. सो मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो 92 to 94, 96 to 98 मतलब ज्यादा वाले में है. ज्यादा वाले में है तो फिर ये डेटा है वो कौन से सीजन का होगा? रेनी सीजन का. Okay, so here question number 2. Here relative humidity is high, so this data is about rainy season. Okay, so this data is about rainy season. Now third question, what is the range of this data? Now what is the formula of range? Just write down in the theory one. Formula of range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Okay, how can we find the range? So formula of range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So first of all find the highest value. So here highest value is 99.2. Okay, from this data just find out the highest value, that is 99.2. Now find out the lowest value. It is 84.9, because that we already find whenever we make the table. Okay, सबसे कम वैल्यू हमने देखी थी 84.9, उसी हिसाब से टेबल का स्टार्टिंग किया था. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू की वो थी 99.2, वहां पे हमने ये टेबल को खत्म किया था. ओके, नाउ हियर परसेंटेज, नाउ रेंज. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेंज इज इक्वल टू हाईएस्ट वैल्यू माइनस लोएस्ट वैल्यू. Okay, so highest value, that is 99.2, minus lowest value, 84.9. Okay, so highest value 99.2 minus lowest value 84.9. So now find out the subtraction. So 2 minus 9, that means 12 minus 9, 3. So it becomes 98 minus 84, 14 percentage. So our range is 14.3 percentage. Okay, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू और मिनिमम वैल्यू उन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस वो होता है रेंज। मतलब किन की वैरायटी में यहाँ पे कितनी वैरायटी में यहाँ पे हमें रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी दी है तो है 14.3 की रेंज में। ओके, इन दोनों का गैप कितना है 14.3. So here our range is 14.3%. Okay, so first of all we need to make the frequency distribution. After that relative humidity ज्यादा दिख रही है, so rainy season, then range highest value minus lowest value. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.